Keep your affiliate marketing strategy simple for success money making. The basic way to explain affiliate marketing is to see it as a way of making money online and increasing traffic to your business by publishing a link on your website promoting a product, service, or site of another business. This can profit your business by bringing your commissions or reciprocal services. When finding proper keywords to market your business, you should avoid the words, terms, and phrases that are most searched. It might seem like common sense to go with the words that are receiving the biggest hits, but by doing this, you are competing in a very large market. Try to cater to niche markets, where you will be able to stand out. Pick affiliate programs that are related to the general topic of your website. Readers visit your website because they like the content. They may have needs related to the subject of the site, or something, hopefully subtle, in your writing made them think of a product that they need. By choosing the right ads, and not having every possible ad on your site, you will build their trust and make a lot of money. Look around for a mentor in affiliate marketing if you are not sure how to approach the business. There are thousands of successful affiliates out there who will lend you advice to get you started. You are not their competition at this point, so most are happy to help out. Check around the blogosphere and find experts in the field. As indicated earlier, affiliate marketing can be simple and effective. There are also many variations of this that can just as helpful and beneficial. By learning more about this concept, you can use these methods to benefit your business and to increase traffic to your websites and see profits increase as well. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.